Hey guys, I'm back with another client tutorial. I love these so much. I'm doing a super glam look on Brittany and she's so beautiful. And I'm just starting out using the Farsali Gold Elixir drops to really hydrate her skin while I work on the eyes. And I'm going in with the eyebrow powder by Anastasia to fill in her brows. Okay, so now that her eyes are all prepped and ready for eyeshadow, I'm going in with the soft Glam palette and I'm taking that orange soda shade just for transition and kind of just blowing that all over her eye and through her crease. And I'm kind of doing a halo eye today. So the next shade I'm going to take is the burnt orange shade, and I'm taking a smaller brush and just putting that on the outer corners and the inner corners and throughout her crease. And then the next shade is that sienna shade, and I'm just doing the same thing. You'll just see me build up the color. I go from lightest to darkest. I like to go in with that big fluffy brush that we used at first and just kind of blend everything together. And now I'm going to take the mulberry on a smaller brush and keep that lower in the outer and inner corners. And this is just going to deepen up the eye look. Okay, so the last shade I'm using is Cypress Umber, and I'm just doing the same thing, putting that in the inner and outer corner to deepen it up. And then for the last step for the eye look, I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metals, I think it's called. It's the glitter in Kitten Karma, and I'm just patting that in the center of the lid, and this looked so pretty. It just brought tons of light to the center and just made it ultra glam. Moving on to face, I'm taking the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This primer is so good. I'm just working it in with my fingers, and yeah, I really like how it makes the makeup look on top. And then I'm taking Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand, I believe, and I'm just blending that in with my beauty blender. Okay, for concealer, I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand, and I put that just under her eyes and down the center of her face to conceal and highlight. And then I'm also blending that out with my sponge. And then I dipped my sponge into my Too Faced Mattifying Peach Powder to set the under eyes. And I just love setting the under eyes with the sponge. It just looks so seamless. And then going into cream contour, I'm just using the Quickie Contour Stick by Benefit, which is my fave. And I'm blending that out with a Sigma brush. Now I'm just moving on to bronzer and bronzing up her face where we put that cream contour. And this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. For highlight, I took Champagne Pop by Becca, which is one of my favorites, and I'm just putting that on the top of her cheekbones and then above her lip and down her nose. And then I'm just gonna powder contour a tiny bit on her nose and her cheekbones using Hoola by Benefit. Okay, I'm popping on some blush on her cheeks and then just using a brightening powder under her eyes. I like to do that at the end to kind of brighten everything. And then now I'm just smoking the lower lash line. For lips, we used the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip kit, and it looked so pretty on her. And yeah, that is it, you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and please comment down below what you guys would want to see next. Thank you.